Guys. Alright, by now you guys know I'm not a financial advisor, okay? I want to show you something that's very, very interesting, at least to me. So, I consistently check Google Trends, okay? Lyft was actually trending after hours, okay? So I took a look at it. It's up a little bit, nothing crazy. There's obviously plenty of stocks that are up more than it percentage-wise. However, I did a little bit of a deep dive. It is a $4.6 billion company. We're coming off the 52-week lows, okay? Now, today, it was announced, well, at least an article was dropped. I don't know if it was announced previous. But San Fran, okay, their taxi drivers are preparing for the first in the nation Uber partnership. Now, we know that the market is full of, psychological warfare. What we expect, what we don't expect, etc., right? So, dropping this news, right, the normal person would probably think, oh, wow, Uber might go crazy, right? I'm thinking about their competition. Who's their biggest competitor, right? I don't know why. I just figure, they might catch a little bit of, some tailwinds. So I took a look at them, okay? I didn't even look at their holders yet. We're going to do fundamentals, holders, all that good, happy stuff. Fundamentals. Okay, less people were going out after vid, so that makes sense as to why the enterprise value would go down. There's still going to be book share positive. $9.6 billion EV. PE to earnings, let's see, 41.59. And they're expected to bring in a whopping $4.23 billion. It's pretty solid. Okay. Let's see the holders. I didn't even look at this before I went ahead and clicked the button. Rakuten Group, interesting. FMR. Vanguard has a big stake. BlackRock has a decent stake. JP. State Street, BlackRock, Vanguard. I always refer to them as the big three. They are in three. Those three are in, probably the biggest plays out there that I could find. I don't have to read every single one of these. You guys could tell, they have a lot of backing. Okay, let's go to shorts real quick, because this is interesting. Actually, you know what? Let me touch back on that. I want to go to insiders first. They sold at the top, guys. They sold at the top. They knew that. They knew things were going south. Okay, they knew things were going south, and even the last sale was only worth. It was sub $10,000. That could be a tax bill. Who knows? Think about it like that. Let's go to shorts. Okay, this is where things get a little bit juicy. Nothing too crazy. We're going to go ahead and we are going to expand here. Now, I know you guys are going to point to utilization. Utilization is, it's not where it needs to be for, a short squeeze. This might be more of, a fundamental, slow short squeeze, potentially. But more fundamentals and, market capitalization, I guess. All right? So, if we go ahead and we click on average days of loan, I've already done that for us. It comes out to June 13th. The high of the day was $15.24. So that means once this gets up to $15.24, then that would mean that at least 50% of the shorts would be underwater. Okay. So look at these. T plus 35 on top of these, right? 3 days from right now. 3 days. And then we have, a couple down here. Nothing crazy. Right? I don't believe we're on the ever threshold. No. Security lending volume. Huh. After that gap down, right? That's a pretty big spike. I don't know, guys. All I'm saying is that if the market decides to get pretty bullish, right? We're talking about almost 14% short interest on the float. And we're talking about a company that can go ahead and pick up a lot of market capitalization. And again, these Lyft may move in sympathy because of the news from Uber, right? I mean, it is what it is. All I know is that when I need a ride, if I pick up my phone, I'm looking at Lyft first because Lyft usually has the best rates. Just saying. I'll leave it there. I'm not a financial advisor. Please like, sub, share. I do need subs in order to get monetized. Obviously, the most key aspect. And I am live all day, every day. In fact, I'm actually live right now. But feel free to join us at any point in time, and I hope that you guys have a great day. Later.